Hello everyone, this is part 6 of tutorial 4. In this simple drawing, we want to utilize one command in SolidWorks, which is how to create or copy-paste one feature if we have it perfect. So instead of drawing this feature, for example, and then draw it again at an angle 30 and third time, fourth time, all over the circle, I can only create the original feature and then copy-paste automatically. Same thing for the small circles. So let's go and check how we can do it. I'll create a small circle of a diameter 5 and then this red sketch circle with a diameter 9. So if I open new part, double click and new sketch in the front plane, for example, I have a diameter of 5 and then a new circle with a diameter of 9. Now the two circles is ready, and vertically I will have the small circle which has a diameter of 2. So I will only make one circle in this center and I will define the diameter to be 2. Now for the rest I will not make the circle. What I will do is I will copy paste. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 items from this circle. So how to do that? I would go to the linear sketch pattern, which can copy the objects in linear, either X or Y axis or both of them. But I will select in here circular sketch pattern. So I would select the object that I want to copy, which is a circle. Now you can see that 4 elements appears, but I don't need 4, I need 6. So this is 4 and change to 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm ready. I'll just select confirm and that's it. Now if I want to add the new item, same thing. I have to make the sketch circle and make one of the features. I would prefer to have this feature because it's horizontal. It's easy to decide the angle. And finally I can rotate them all around the circle. So this big diameter, it has a diameter of 3, and this small circle, it has a diameter of 1. So I would go and make the base circle, and it has a diameter, the red one, it has a diameter of 19. So this is 1, 9. And horizontally I have, let me stop in this point, and I will have circle 1, the small circle which has a diameter of 1, and circle 2 with a diameter of 3. So new circle from the same point and sketch dimension to be 3. Now I have 2 lines from this intersection going to the left until they meet a new circle which has a diameter of 16. So I need one more circle from the same center, and it should be 16 in diameter, 1 and 6. So I will extend 2 lines from this point, the intersection point, until I meet this circle horizontally, and I will make this line again from the bottom intersection point horizontally until I reach in here, and finally I can trim out all circles or lines that I don't need. So only I want to keep this line. Okay. And finally I can rotate this object. So if I rotate, I would say go to the circular pattern and select the object, which is line 1, half circle, small circle, and line 2, all of them to be repeated 4 times in this case, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 times, or I can say that the total circle is 360 degrees and one of them is 30. So if I divide 360 over 30, I will get 12 pieces in the circle. So I would say 12 and confirm. So this is my final drawing. Now if I want, I can trim the rest of the components. Let me check. So I don't have lines in between because this is only a sketch circle. So if I want the drawing to be perfect, I have to trim this line. I don't have the lines in the new features because it was not selected to be rotated. And finally, I have to trim this one, all the entrances to the circle because it was coming from the sketch circle that I made and it doesn't come from the rotating feature, and also this one. And that's it. So this is my drawing, and if I finish the sketch, I can extrude the object, but I have to select all the contours that I need. For example, these small segments, and this is a kind of a gear system or maybe a gasket for any mechanical component. So I would select the spaces needed to be filled with material while leaving the other elements to be empty, and finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.